Here's how to back up your entire MacBook Neo using Time Machine to an external hard drive or SSD, so your files are always safe and easy to restore anytime. First, connect your external hard drive or SSD to your MacBook Neo. If any pop-up appears, just allow the connection. It's also recommended to use this drive as a dedicated backup space, so don't store regular files on it. Now, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Go to the General section, then scroll down and select Time Machine. First, you need to add a backup disk. If you have multiple drives, they will appear here. Select your drive and click Setup Disk. If you want extra security, toggle on Encrypt Backup, then create a password. Re-enter it to verify, and you can also add a hint if needed. Next, set your disk usage limit. You can either allow the full SSD or hard drive to be used for backup, or assign a custom space so the rest stays free. Click Done and your external storage will now be added. Now, go into Options. Here you can set your backup frequency. If your external hard drive stays connected to the MacBook Neo, choose Automatic Backups. If not, choose Manual so you can connect it and back up whenever needed. You can also exclude items you don't want backed up, like specific apps or folders. Select them from the list, then click Done. And now the backup will start automatically. Your external drive will appear on the desktop as a backup disk. You'll also see a small clock icon in the menu bar. Click it and select Browse Time Machine Backups. Your backups will appear in a timeline view date by date. Since this is your first backup, you'll only see one date for now. You can press Escape or Cancel anytime to exit this view. The process may take some time, but you can continue using your MacBook Neo normally in the background. Once the backup is complete, you'll get a notification. And one important thing to remember, when the storage gets full, older backups will automatically be removed to make space for new ones. That's all for today. Thanks for being with Fix 369.